Today, we will learn a new verse and it's found in Psalm 77:14. Okay, yung you, si Jesus yon. So, alam na natin, Jesus. Okay? Tanya na, no? Jesus, you are the God who performs, you performs, thumbs up, tapos ganun. Can you see? You are the God, you are the God who performs miracles. Okay, ganun lang yung miracles. You display your power amongst the people. So, alam na natin yung people. Okay, fine. Okay. Letter P, tapos po. Sige. Let's try. Psalm 77, verse 14. You are the God who performs miracles. You display your power amongst the people. Psalm 77:14. Okay.